Good morning. This is your suburban girl back again here. It's been a while, but today I decided to do a little quick vlog on my trip to St. Thomas. So I'm on my way to go pick up my suburban aunt. So we're gonna go pick her up and we're gonna go out to St. Thomas. Tune in. In Yallahs, the beach is there. That was Suburban Mom a while ago. We're by Suburban Aunt's beachfront, and we just planted 2 coconut trees. Okay, so hold for a sec. We're going to go to the beach now. We just finished doing some work. I cut down 2 plum trees and an ackee tree. So we're going to go have a little relaxation now in the water. So heading to the water now, which I can't wait for because I mean during the social distancing quarantining period, I've been dying to go for a swim or just to get water on my body for other than the shower water. But I'm going to go now into the waters. See? So I'm heading down there with mommy and suburban aunt, and we hope to have a good time. Granted, noted that there's something different with Yallahs' water and everything because there's some pond is behind me somewhere past in front. But what to do? We're still gonna have a whale of a time. So now we're a little bit closer to the water, as you can see. Suburban mom in the water, enjoying the water. We can't go too far in because we are not big swimmers like anything, or we never grow by water, but this is a little too rough for us to pass a certain point, so we're just chilling on the sand part here, just enjoying it. The waves coming in and beat us. See? Yep. A suburban aunt on her throne, as she says. But it's really nice. Comment below what beaches you like here in Jamaica, and or what beaches are your favorite to go to. Okay. Thank you. We'll join back shortly. We're just watering our coconut trees that we planted today. So Suburban mom is watering that one, and I'm going to water the one that I planted. So I'm handing it off to mommy. So sorry if it's shaky cam. So this is me. I'm watering my coconut tree that I planted since I came. So see, hopefully by the time I come back next time, it will be able to give me fruit. Okay? So we're leaving now. As you can see. Yeah, right here. And right over there is a salt pond. Suburban girl is back home after this trip to Yallahs on my suburban aunt's property. This is just some plums and The cashew we got two, but I don't know. Apparently I left it in the vehicle. But we reaped those, and they're sweet. And ooh, the smell is just so tempting trying to eat all of them. But it tastes really good also. But I need to save it because it's good to have a fruit in every day, so at least I have some fruit for a couple of days. But comment below which fruit is your favorite. Thank you. Suburban Girl's second trip to St. Thomas Yallahs. So this was the Labor Day weekend, and my suburban aunt invited my mother and I to assist her in getting her property back in shape, planting some more fruit trees and cleaning up a little bit more, but also to enjoy the sea once again. It's going to be fun, but here's a few moments from that trip. Come along. So see some of the fish there, see the raw one. They catch up fire and I fry up the sprat them. Confirm the sea, you see the sprat them. Yeah man, this first batch of come out now. Don't mind my pot one. It's just an island thing. This is yard girl style. Yeah. Suburban country girl style. Yes, man. Okay. Yeah, man. We're going to hold a meditation on the food. Right now, as you see, I have some fritter in my hand prepared by Suburban aunt for breakfast this morning. We're just doing our neighbor week projects out here. Yes, man. So on the last trip out here, I didn't get to come over this side, but this is the famous Yallahs salt pond. So you see it? When it's a drier time, you'll just see everything is salt, which is good. Right here usually has water, a lot more water. So I'm just taking my time walking on it, because next thing you know, catastrophe. But see, that's a salt pond over there. I'm going to get a little closer so that you can see it. Hold for a sec. So I decided to just walk this past the main, well, not the main road, but a more established pathway for me to walk. So you see it? Aunt's place. This is her neighbor's place. I'm going to reach her. I'm going to reach her. So I'm going to pause it right here. And I'm going to do that. The next shot you see will be right by the salt. There are tales of the origins of the Yallahs salt pond. It could have occurred due to two brothers either having a punishment or a story of adultery, where one brother cried himself to death on finding out his wife had an affair with his brother. Then the tears fell into the pond, and that same pond drowned his brother and wife. But who knows? It could have just been a wonder of the world created by God. Who knows? Do you know? If you don't know, comment below. Thank you. So now I'm much closer to the pond here. You see this slush or salt, what I call it. It is really, really beautiful. And see, look, this is it. I can feel the salt grains in my fingers. So it could be. One thing I know about coming out here, make sure you wear your sunscreen, because the last time, and in fact anytime I've come out here, I've got terrible sunburns and can't sleep for days because the pain is so unbearable. So make sure you stock up on your sunscreen when you venture out here. I don't know if it's a salt content that helps to dry out your skin and the sun is just pelting on your skin. But be safe. Up to where we were at. It looks like it's lunchtime, right? Up there, so yeah man. Pull up all the sprat to yourself, I guess. But that's a good walk that I just did. Get my feet moving. So we're heading up there now. Well, at least I am. Everybody else there. So, see? The work is finished in process now. So, see, look. Heading back up there now. Alright. See you later. Soon come. So, this is Suburban food right now. So, our whole 2 sprat and a slice of bread. Yeah man, nothing sweeter than that. Remember God said he stretched it. So yes man, he stretched it and he blessed it. And we are 5,000 strong. Yes man. So after having lunch, me and mom decided to go have a little chill out underneath the cashew tree. So I decided to climb up into it and mommy decided to sit down on it. And it was good. After a long day of work and having fun, it was good. So please, if you can, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Suburban Girl would really appreciate it. Have a blessed week and keep good and fight that fight.